Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can add a product like goods or services on Bokio accounting software for invoicing purposes. To add a product or service, we need to go to invoicing section, and there is subsection called items. From here, to add a new product like a goods or services, we need to click on new items or new item. Add a product code. So I have product code subscription 2, item name, add a price, and select unit of measure. So either pieces, days, months, weeks, or even gigabytes. Select one which is appropriate for your goods or services. Select a VAT rate, so if you're a VAT registered business, select VAT rate from drop-down list, or leave at 0% if you are not VAT registered business. And definitely select an item type, if it's goods or services. So in my case it is service, and click save. So now subscription weekly has been added there. When we click on these three dots, we can actually edit item or delete an item. If you have a list available of items that you want to import, click on these three dots and you will be able to import items from your file, using your file. Also, we can export all our items if required. So this is a way how you can add products or services to your items list on Bokio accounting software for invoicing purposes. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my Bokio tutorial and review episodes. If you have not seen those yet, check them out.